Hey everybody, welcome back to Vehicles Unlimited. You may not recognize me because normally I'm behind the camera, but I will be reviewing this beautiful AT4 with you today. Unfortunately, this guy lost his voice a couple days ago, so you guys are stuck with me. Today we have for you guys the 2023 GMC Sierra AT4, finished in a beautiful volcanic red tint coat. This thing will compete with, if not crush, the Chevrolet ZR2 or Ford F-150 Tremor. Taking a look at the front end, we have these beautiful C-shaped daytime running lamps, your machined aluminum grille with, of course, your GMC badge and your AT4 badge right up front. Under the hood, you have a 6.2 liter powerhouse. This beast of an engine puts out 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque, which is also capable of towing up to 13,000 pounds. Now, of course, with the AT4, you get a 2-inch factory lift, sitting on monotube shocks and your beautiful 20-inch rims with Bridgestone tires. Coming around to the rear of the vehicle, you have these really nice dual exhausts finished in a beautiful chrome. You have these super handy bumper steps, and of course, the famous GMC tailgate. Double buttons there, and your tailgate step pops out. One more, that comes down, and then you have your handle right here, making it super easy to get in to the bed of your truck. Now with GMC, something very unique they offer, you can get a built-in sound system by kicker right into your tailgate. Welcome to the inside of this AT4. Starting things off, we have this quick shifter, something I really like, makes it super easy. Moving up to your buttons here, you have your lane keeping, parking assist, tailgate up and down hazards, your traction control as well. Moving up another level, you have all of your climate controls, your heated and cooled seats in the front, heated in the back, dual climate as well. Up here you have your 13.4 infotainment center, which has all of your features, including tow and haul checklist, your phone pairing, destinations, so it has built-in Google Maps. You have all of your radio, Sirius XM, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Now above that, all the way to the dash, you have your nice black leather with your Kalahari stitching that looks really, really clean. Working our way over to the front of the driver, you have your 12.3-inch driver information center as well as your 15-inch multicolor heads-up display. I really love how GMC makes everything super customizable, so you can tailor it right to what you want as the driver. You can change the left side, right side gauges, or even the entire layout with just a few clicks. On the steering wheel, you have a lot of really handy buttons and controls right there for you. Your adaptive cruise control, your heated steering wheel, and all of your cruise control buttons as well. One of my personal favorite features that this truck has to offer is the rear view camera mirror. Now you see me, now you don't. All this tech in these new trucks nowadays makes it feel like you're in a spaceship, but I want to see how this truck handles on the road. All right, everyone, that wraps this video up for us today. Huge thank you to our guest, the GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. Anthony will be hosting our next video when his voice is better. I guess this truck really just made him speechless. This has been Vehicles Unlimited. Thank you so much for watching. We plan on coming back full time with plenty of new videos and vehicles for you guys to see. Leave any vehicle suggestions or your thoughts on this beautiful truck in the comments down below. We'll see you next time.